Okay, so now I think we can just walk outside and show the pump.
Yes.
Where this pump controller is.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is outside. You can see the tank there. That looks to be a 5,000 or 2,500.
It's
tank.
a 5,000 liters tank.
Okay, yes. And now I can see the garden.
Yes, we are. The garden is able to be implemented even without Mulonga water being here. So it's a marvel to see. It's something that everyone should be able to jump into.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, wow. That is really interesting.
Yes, so the solar panels
that side.
One string is facing the northern side, and the other one is facing the eastern side. Mm-hmm. So each is about 3,500, which is a composition of 500 watts times 14 panels.
I can't see the panels here. Okay. No. I'm able to pick them up here. Okay. So how many panels are this?
So here we have 7 panels. This is the new technology, which is half cell technology. So within one panel, you actually have got 2 panels there.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So
and what's the rating of one panel?
The rating of one panel is 500 watts.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And the voltage at the operating point is 40.35 volts. And then the open circuit voltage is about 49.16.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. This is interesting.
Yes.
And thank you very much. I'm just really happy that people are now realizing that we have the alternative. It's not always like using the grid. You can have the alternative, and solar is one of the alternative. And all that is needed, I think, is the information. People need
the information. And actually, on our part, this is actually where we strive so much, because knowledge is power. People with the knowledge, even the Bible is very clear. If you don't have knowledge, you can easily perish.
Yeah.
So people have to be sensitized. People have to understand that with solar you can actually do everything else that one is able to do with conventional utility power. So it's a matter of having the information and also coming up with custom systems, because this is a custom system. It's not a standard system to say if this house has got this type of system, then another house should have the same.
Yeah.
Because the load requirements are basically different.
Yeah.
And which also comes to the same when we go to utility, we don't purchase the same units. Yeah.
Yeah,
and also
right.
Something that I should have mentioned inside, in technical terms, we say it's 17.6 kilowatt hour. So when we go to the conventional terms, what we are saying is the storage is 17.6 units.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. I think that was important to mention. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, Doc.
You are
much
welcome.
appreciated.
And as North Voltage Engineering, I think we are more than ready to partner with Zambians, to partner with government, and whenever called upon, we can come through and help in the dissemination of information so that people are informed properly and they can make decisions.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
We are looking at the 2 sets of solar panels. One set is facing east, one set is facing north, to leverage the maximum power point during production. So we have got actually 2 maximum power points. The solar power system is basically 3,500 composed of 500 times 7 on the northern side, and also 500 times 7 on the eastern side. So together it's 7,000 watts of solar panels connected to 2 inverters. 2 inverters, 5 kilowatt operating in parallel. Thank you very much.